Right, just a quick video. Just nipped out to Paull on bike. Just outside of Fort Paull. Just going to get a quick video of the shelter. Now I'm not exactly sure what this was used for, whether it was actually an air raid shelter, storage, I haven't a clue. Right, not a lot to see really. I do remember though, years ago, they've actually blocked up a hole. There used to be a passageway what used to lead into the fort from here a good few years ago. Yeah, not a lot to see really, but I'm actually on the way to check out the location of a Royal Observer Corps post. That's just down the road, so I just thought I'd stop in and check it out. Right, head out again. Oh, that mud's slippery. And then across there you have the humber.